Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Remitly app, you will go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list of apps, you will search about a Remitly app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone, so please don't forget to support us.